Do you know which stock has increased an incredible 1,400% over the past 5 years? Nvidia's stock has been making waves. Some say it's the king of AI, others warn it's a roller coaster. Today, we're breaking it down in just 5 minutes, the pros, the cons, and where it could be headed long term. Whether you're an investor or just curious, stick around until the end to find out the top Wall Street analysts' recommendation for Nvidia. This one's packed with insights you can actually use.
Before we dive into our insider analysis, I want to welcome you to my channel. Behind this mask is a Wall Street insider with over 25 years of knowledge and experience. I created this channel to help you make money, so thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe and also share it with friends. I need you to help this video get at least 500 likes. This will greatly help my channel and it will help me to provide you with more wealth building videos. Okay, buckle up and let's dive in.
Okay, so why is Nvidia got everyone so hyped up? Picture this, you know how AI is popping up everywhere, like in your Netflix recommendations or those crazy self-driving cars. Nvidia's the one making it happen. Their chips are like the super smart engines behind all that cool stuff, from gaming graphics that blow your mind to robots that might one day bring you coffee. And here's the wild part, they're chasing $1 trillion data center market by 2028. That's like hitting the jackpot. Oh, and they're teaming up with big names like Dell to grab a slice of a $500 billion AI pie for businesses. More friends, more cash, it's like Nvidia's throwing a tech party and everyone's invited. If you're into betting on the future, this is your ticket. But hold up, let's keep it real for a second. Investing in Nvidia, it's not always a walk in the park. Think of it like hopping on a roller coaster, super fun, but you might feel a little queasy. For starters, their earnings could hit a bumpy patch. Those GPU prices aren't as juicy as they used to be, and the big wins from robotics and cars still a ways off. Plus, the government's got these AI diffusion rules that could mess things up, like a referee blowing the whistle at the worst time. And check this, the stock's already down from its high, even though their numbers are solid. Makes you wonder, is it just a hiccup, or are we in for more twists? You've got to be cool with some turbulence if you're jumping in. So, what's Wall Street saying? Out of 42 analysts tracking Nvidia, 38 are shouting buy. That's a lot of bullish energy. 4 are saying hold, cautious, but not running away. And 0, yep, 0, are saying sell. No one's jumping ship. Now, the big question, where's Nvidia headed long term? With 42 analysts leaning hard into buy territory, the outlook's bright. AI's exploding, data centers are booming, and Nvidia's innovation keeps it ahead of the pack. The Wall Street analysts' average target screams opportunity, if you can handle the ride. If you're in for the long haul, dollar cost average to smooth out the bumps. If you're risk averse, maybe wait for a bigger dip below the current price. But if you believe AI's the future, and let's face it, it is, Nvidia's a cornerstone pick. Just don't expect a smooth ride. There you have it, Nvidia in 5 minutes. Pros, killer growth and tech. Cons, risks and volatility. Long term. Analysts, 42 of them, say it's a winner. Your move, jump in now or wait for the dip. Tell me in the comments, are you bullish or bearish? Hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns. Please turn on the notifications so you don't miss our next video. We appreciate your support, so stay sharp, and may the odds always be in your favor.